Okay, so now what we are going to do? We are going to start with the next topic. So till yesterday we have learned about what we can say block, classes, ID, iframe. Sorry, up to ID we have done. So we know this one. Why we need a table to display the content? We need a table where we have to display. So if you want to, let's say, mm, your what you can say if you want to take draw a table, you can go with a draw table. So let's say your student list you want to show in the table means id, name, first name, last name, email, and all that using a table. So whereas a list, so if you want to show the food list, fruit juice list, and any item list. So list means as a list you are going to be see. No? So that is a list. A block level and inline. So block level it is taking the entire width of the screen, whereas inline it is taking as much as space is required. So what are all the examples instance? So these are all the examples for the block level, and this is for the inline. Okay, so that is we already learned. So why we need a class in the sense the class which will share the common. So we are writing a one common class, then we are using it for the multiple HTML elements. So we already learned yesterday. Okay. So then we are coming with the iframe. So this is very important. So almost all big become. So why we need a first we will understand. Okay. So the HTML iframe is used to display the web page within a web page. What does it mean? So we already have in a web page. So again, we are displaying a one more web page. The HTML iframe syntax, the HTML iframe tag specify the inline frame. Yes, the inline frame is used to embed another document with the current HTML document. What is telling that? An inline frame is used to embed another document within a HTML document. So this is how it is going to be work. So let go with a example. So iframe. So here what happens? So iframe target for a link. So the iframe can be used to target for the frame link. Okay, so iframe can be used to target the frame for a link. The target attribute of the link that refers to the name of the iframe. Okay, we'll see that one. The target iframe A, something like that is there. So what I want to do, so I want to go here and I will create a index 9.html and the doc, save it, will go here. So now what I want to do here, okay, so now what I want to do here, so I want to create a iframe here. So index 9 is there. So just I want to take a h to the iframe. So then right click, open with the live server. If you are not having a problem with the live server, so just go here, just double click here. So that is also possible. So but live server need to be a mandatory, you need to use that one. So because no need to go and click that link. So just I want to open the iframe. So now what I want to do, I want to add a iframe. So just type a iframe. So here it will come, just press enter. So automatically it will come. What is the source? So I want to add my source might be in a page or a video, audio or anything. The what I will do, I will source might be in a one our website. So bitstreamio.com. So this is website is running on a somewhere here. Okay, here it is running. So what I will do, I will just copy this URL and I will add in the source. Save it. Then I am going to be, so iframe what happens? It is going to be create a web page. It's called a one more sub web page. It is created within a page. So just I want to go here and rerun here. See here. My website is actually running here, but My another website is my index9.html is my website. A website within a website I am calling here, so that is called an iframe. Okay, I want to set a width and height, so we can set. So I will just check the size here only. How to check the size in the browser only? Right click, inspect. So the width will be around 900 pixel. Okay, what is the problem? Yeah, we need to click here. Width 900 pixel. Still not change. So what is the mistake? So just run it. Okay. So instead of that one, what I will do, I will set a height and width here only. So directly we'll go here. The frame border is 0 is 0. I will make a something 2. So that is a border thickness. The width will be 900 pixel. So height will be 600 pixel. Control S or else yeah, I am doing a control S. So just I am rerunning here. See, my website is a index9.html, but I am loading a one more website that is which is running on his cloud. Okay, so like that. Okay, so then one question is, sir, can I run a Google also? No. Why? Because so some high level website they having a higher security. It is not do. It is not able to do. So I will try for a Gmail or else Google. I will search Google. So this is a page. It is running on the browser. What I want to do? I want to run inside my index.html. How to do? So just I want to change here, save it, run it. See, I refuse to connect because of the higher security. Why they done means? So what I will do? I will, some people will create their own web page, then they are adding a Google here only. Nobody will go google.com here. Nobody will search here. So directly they will search from there. So that is our basic thing. So then what are all the third party? Let's say I will use a any IRTC, okay, BMTC, Bangalore Metropolitan Transport. This website I want to try to access. Okay, so this is the website. So just I will take this website name and I want to add here. So save it or run it. We'll go here. Let's see whether it will load or not. No, this is also it is NLE. It is not using this website. So I will use the exact URL. So Control Z, Control V, save it. Will load here. Yeah. So we need a special permission to access this site. So like that, so iframe is used to define a website within a website. Okay, then what is video? So I want to design a website. I want to add a video. How to do? So just I want to go for our YouTube channel only. Then I want to search a video. What is the video? Yesterday we have done a yeah. So this is the video I want to show. So which video that one? So let's say HTML session only I want to add it. So how to add? So just I want to open the site plus. So then I want to add. So what is the method? So just you have to go for the share button. So share button it is going to be share the data. Okay. What happens? So how to add a YouTube video? So just I want to take this link and add here. So Control V, save it. Let's see what is the output, whether it will load or what. Yeah, yeah, it is not shown how to do this one. So just you have to go share. From the share, there is a we are getting the one link that is the ID. So this is the ID we need to take. So copy and control V. Yeah, this is the ID we need. Control X. So what is the URL you need to use? So here one more thing need to add embed forward slash save it. Let go here. See my website. See here. Here it is that video will come. If I just play means okay. I think that error is there. I think I have not copied properly or not. Let's see. We'll go another video. So let's say okay, this music I will use. For this music, I want to find a so just mute, copy, copy. So just I want to add here. Control A, Control V, Control Control X. Save it or run it. We'll see. Let's close this one. Still has an error. Okay, fine. So just I will share search for the iframe YouTube. Yeah, here it is. How to do embed. So, okay, this URL only I will take iframe, copy. So just I will change. I also done the same thing, but not sure what is the problem. So http://youtube.com embed. Okay, fine. So just we'll go here, and it has to be load that. So this is the video. It is going to be load. So how many videos we can add means if you add a n number of iframes, so you can add this one. So this is how you are going to be create your own YouTube. What you can say, not YouTube, the video content, something like that. So if you have multiple iframes, so you can add it. That's not an issue. So just make a width is something 400. Save it. Copy. Control V. Save it. Go here. So now there is a two videos are loaded. So if you want to other videos, how to do in the sense. So just if you go for the YouTube, you can take any the video the restful in 2000 milliseconds something. If you just go for a share, so we need a ID. Okay, so by that ID only we are going to be use this one. So where is that ID? The ID is somewhere we are going to be display within. See, this is called an ID. So I think it's so what is the problem? Okay, so the ID we need to add. So just go for a share and copy that ID. So just add it. So if you add like this means, so you are going to be get a video attribute. Okay, so this is how it is going to be work. So next, what we are going to be learn. So this is about a iframe. So either you can use a video, or you can use for the website, or you can go for the what you can say audio. So audio something. What is that one? What is our biggest audio player? The Spotify is there. So Spotify. Why we need a Spotify? So this Spotify is a something I think audio library. Ghana is there, like that. So we have the audio player display. So audio player is a one thing. So it is going to be display the audio. Got it. Why we need the audio flyer, the audio files and all we are going to be keep here. So if you just go for any video, so this is not a video, this is the audio file. So if you want to listen, you can just click or something like that. Mumbai, Kolkata, all these things are there. So this is the audio tag also you can add it. So whatever the thing it is coming on in the source HTTP link, so you can add here. So it is going to be taken. Okay, so now we got to know why we need iframe. So iframe is the one thing we are going to be create a website within a website. So this is a index9.html is a my one static website. There I am adding a one more website called that is the iframe thing. Got it? So now same thing we are doing with the what you can say iframe thing. So just we'll close this one. We'll go for the HTML and we are going for the content. So we got to know iframe is simple. One word you can remember. Creating a website within a website, we can use it. So next is a JavaScript. So HTML JavaScript. So you might heard about we are going to be learn the JavaScript, but where we are going to be add, how we are going to be write, and where which platform you are going to be write it. Okay, so I want to write with an example. So first directly I will go to this file only. So I want to write a JavaScript means we should write with a HTML only because what is a JavaScript? A JavaScript is something dynamic operation. So what is a dynamic operation? So 2 plus 2 is a 4. So addition of a 2 will be in a something dynamic action. So that actions are done with a JavaScript. Okay, so now what we have to, so then where we are going to be right. Again, there are three things we can, either we have to write a JavaScript within these two tags. Okay, so that is a starting script or and end script. Or else we have one more option, just I will write here the header also, that is also it will take. And one more thing is, so we are going to, as like a style.css, we can write a style.js. So both is fine. So first I will write a script. So how to write a JavaScript? Okay, so there are three ways. Either we have to write within a script start and end tag. So either in the body or in the header or a external. So there are three ways we can write a JavaScript. Okay, so let's see what is the one example. So what is the example? The first I want to take a one H2 hash demo. So means h2 id demo. So id attribute I have taken. So demo is the one the id I have taken. So what I will do, so document dot get element by id of demo dot inner html equals to welcome to javascript programming. Okay, save it. We'll go here and we are going to be see the output. See here, the welcome to JavaScript programming kit is here. So just I will comment it. How to comment? So just select this one, control forward slash, control in the keyboard, forward slash in the keyboard. So comment means what? It is there, but it is disabled. So if you see the output, there is a no output. Why? Because I have commented. If you want to uncomment, so just go for control forward slash again. This is now is uncommented. If you want to comment again, so control forward slash. Okay, so we got to know. So this is the ID demo is there. So it is printing a welcome to JavaScript programming. Okay, don't worry about what is the document, get element by ID, inner HTML, everything. So we are going deep into a JavaScript sessions. So what happens here? I want to print the welcome. So welcome to JavaScript programming in the where the ID is sit. Where the ID is sit in the H2 tag. So it means I want to display this welcome to JavaScript programming by finding the document.get element by ID. Where is the ID? ID is in the H2 tag. So this is how it is going to be work. Got it. So what is the document? How get element by ID? No worries. I will explain this one. So how we are going to be write a JavaScript? So this is a one method, or else you have a one more method like that. You can keep here also. Yeah. So here what happens? Your browser will be loaded initially. So that time it is not loading. So how to overcome this one? So whatever the in the adding a script, we will tell in the later session. Okay. So because if I go deep means you are getting a confused. So just understand what is this one. Okay. So script. So this is you are going to be add like this. So you can add a script here. Then document.get element by ID demo inner HTML. So like that you are going to be call this one. Okay, so this is the how to write a script, JavaScript, or else you can write a style script.js. So you just go here, type a script.js. Okay, so here the we are going to be add a code. So in the JavaScript section we are going to be full deeply. So just you understand how to write a JavaScript inside a HTML. That's it. So here it is. We have to start with the script and end with the script. Here we are going to be print this one. Okay, so now what we have to do? So next, the file path. So this is not much important. Just I want to explain this one. The file path is having the absolute path. Absolute path means complete path. Okay, so complete path means http://com images picture dot jpg. So image the relative path means so dot dot means it is going to be take a one folder next images picture.jpg. So this is called a relative path. Okay, just I will give one example. If somebody is telling that go to the Bangalore, go to the Rajajinagar, go to the second block, so there is a Bitstream IO companies is there. So this is a complete or a absolute path. So one more thing, in Rajajinagar second block office is there. So this is a relative path. So that's why. So telling a complete path is called a absolute path. Telling a little bit path is that is a relative path. So let's say someone is telling that where is a Lal Bagh in the Bangalore. So someone is telling that so go from Mumbai to from Mumbai to Bangalore, from Bangalore to the airport, airport to the Majestic, Majestic to the Lal Bagh, something like that. Someone is telling that okay, Lal Bagh, you just go Lal Bagh in Jayanagar. So this is a relative. So this is a complete path. So that's it. It's not a there is a no big logic here. So JavaScript head. So what is a JavaScript head? So we are writing everywhere. This is the head. Okay, then what is the meta UTF and XUA compatible IH viewport and all? So this is the viewport is the right. So what is this one means? Whenever your program will run on the browser, so let's say this is the something. This is the a code it is running. So then the viewport is what it is. The purpose is same program if you open in a mobile device. Let's say assume this is the mobile devices. Now it is a iPhone SE. It is open. So the viewport is telling that this project or a program is running on the mobile devices. So if you go for the Samsung Galaxy S8. Okay, so here what happens? It is a viewport, it is telling that okay, it is opening in the mobile device. So it might be a tab, I think. let's see tab is there or not. Tab is not there. So if it is now it is opening is the now viewport is telling that it is opening in the uh, browser because this is a width. This is the width. So if it is opening is this space, this is called a tab. If you opening this is a something mobile devices. So that is uh, i- indicated or told by the what that is a what we can say a meta viewport. Okay, why we need a title? The title here it is a document is there. Here it is a 127. This if you want to add a title here, so you can use the title attribute. So this is already we have seen this one. Okay, so meta. So meta we have discussed about. So meta viewport content with. So viewport is a user's visual area of web page. It varies with the devices. It will be a smaller on mobile phones on the computer screen. So if your website you are opening in the desktop, it is a width is there. If you opening with the mobile devices, automatically it will fit for the mobile devices. For that purpose, we are using the that is a meta viewport. Okay, so that is a we can say we can call it as an HTML responsive as well. So this is a responsive means what? So this website I can open with a this is a Google Chrome, or else it might be in a tablet, or it might be in a mobile phone. So for all the devices, it has to be fit properly means. So then you are using a meta viewport. The viewport is the user's visible area of web pages. It varies with the devices. It will be a smaller on mobile phone than the a computer screen. So that is called a responsive web design. What is a responsive web design means? When I design a website, that website has to be suited for the all the devices. See, I'm opening a See, I'm opening a website here also. See, I want to bitstreamio.com. I'm opening a website here also. So I might open a website in the mobile devices because we have a different mobiles, right? So I have iPhone SE. So it has to be suited for the iPhone SE. So if I click the content here, it has to be show like this. So then it is working properly. Some person is having a something Galaxy Gold, Samsung Galaxy Gold. So it has to be fit properly. Next, next, next. So then it is a okay, fine. It is a responsive. Someone is having a Moto Z4. So just go for 100%. See, so there is a slight variation is there. So that is acceptable. Okay, so like that, Pixel 5. Someone is having a Pixel 5. Okay, so this is how it is going to be work. So that is called a responsive. So got it. So this is the how the data responsive. The next it will come the HTML forms. So this is very important. Throughout your life you are spending in the forms only. Why we need a forms? Okay, so just I am going with the one example. I want to open a what you can say Netflix. I want to use a Netflix. What is a Netflix that one? So what is a procedure? So just I want to open. So then I want to okay already it is telling sign out. Okay, finish and sign up. So I want to yeah already I have registered. I have stopped earlier. So that is why it is a next. So it is asking the sign out. Let's just sign out. So I want to subscribe. Ready to watch? Enter your email ID to create a restart your membership. So just I am clicking here. So what is this? This is called a one form. So taking a email is a one form. Again, I want to register for the Flipkart. So what is the Flipkart registration? So at least you have to enter your mobile number. See, enter your email ID or mobile number. So this is called the one form. So every application is a form. Why we need a form in the sense? Let's say you are going for the college, right? So first you have to register, right? Same thing for every application you have to register. Then only it is going to be login. So if you already registered, you can enter a number. So just I want to log in this one. So I want to add my number, something like that. So just I want to request to OTP. Please enter a valid email ID or mobile number. So this is not a valid mobile number, so that's why it is showing like this. So every application is having a that is called a form. Okay. In the form, what and all will be there? In the form, text box will be there. In the form of radio button will be there. In the form, checkbox will be there. A submit will be there. Button will be there. Label will be there. Okay, so many examples we can give. So first for that, I want to create a one file. So that file name will be index10.html and the doc open close brace. So just close here. So here I want to take a h2, the forms. Save it. How to write a form tag? So form tag is we are going to form enter. So this is I have created a form. So now here it is a form start and end tag is there. So here what happens? I want to take a simple form. So login form. What is a login form? Username, password will be there. I will take a input type equals to text, name equals to FIRS FIRSRST first name and something. Okay, let close here. So this is a closing tag. The first name and sorry, input or a first name or username I can take username, and here it is a password. So here type will be not a text. Here we can go with the password. So then name equals to password, and we have a button. The input type equals to button, value equals to submit. Save it. We'll go for the index10.html. Right click, open with the live server. Uh, I think it's already running. No, it is closed. Right click, open with the live server. Okay, so I don't want to copy and directly I can use it means. So now it is running with a 5500. See here, it is running here. So just I want to go here. Let's close this one. So 127.0.0.1 colon double five double zero forward slash index 10 dot html. Okay, so what is it in? Yeah, I done a mistake. Control B. See 127 that one. Index 10, not a 20. 10.html. See, this is how it is created. So this is the username and this is the 1234 password. If I just submit here, it has to be go for the data. So it looks very basic. Then how to do a little bit good design. So here what happens? I want to take a one more thing called a label. The username and label password. Save it or run it. So here what I will do, yeah, control X. After this one we need to add here. Save it or run it. See here, username, password. Now a little bit okay. So again what I have to do, I want to break the line here, break. So it will going for the new line. Okay, so this is how. So button is here there. Again, I want to break this button. How to do break? So here, after this password, we need to add a break. Save it or run it. See, now it is coming here. Okay, if you want to align good to align, so you have to write a CSS that one. So we will write later. Okay. So just a username, password. So this is called a form, the HTML form. So I'm going to be ABC is a username and 1234 is a password. Any password. Okay. Let's say Facebook login page. Okay, so just you go for the image because already I have logged in, you just directly go for the this. So let's say this is an example. So this is also form only. This is the username field and this is the password field. Below is the login button. So our code is also same thing, but we need to write a CSS for the same. Okay, so here it is a how it looks now. So same form, Facebook or anything. If you want to go for the new account, so again it is a form. First name, last name, mobile number, password, email, everything. So this is called a form. Got it? So input type is the password and input. So this is we are using a label. Okay. So like that we can write the forms with the checkbox is there. So we will go one by one. So what I will do, I have already written some of the stuffs here. Okay. First a text field. Okay. First I will copy this one. I am going here. So just I will replace this one. Save it. We'll go to the code and go here. See, the first name is here, the last name is here. How it is label for early name and last name label break. Okay, so this is how it will work. The next what we are going for radio buttons. Again, I will copy this one. Input type radio HTML HTML. Okay, label for. So just I will copy this. So I will not copy a form. So just inside a form, I want to add a label here. Save it. We'll go here. We'll see here. See here. This is the any something called a checkbox. So next is the sorry radio button. So now we are going to be add a checkbox. So what is a checkbox? Checkbox will be looks like a in a square bracket. So let's go here. So I have a bike. So I have a car. Yes. I have a vote. See in the radio button, what happens? It is only one item you can select. But whereas a checkbox, so you are going to be select a multiple. So we have made a code like this. So then we are going to be go for the submit button. So submit button we are already did. The next is a so same thing we have given a the input form. So this is how we are going to be created. So all the forms you can take. You can take any forms in the Google form or anything. So if you take any application, so all they have written in a such a way that with the basic input tags only. Okay, so next the HTML form is over. The form is the one thing it is containing given a input attribute. It is the username, password, email, mobile number, or anything you are going to be writing. So you are going to be see here. So just I want to remove all those things. So first you have to register. First name is or and last name is or. Then I want to take for the email the label. So that is the email. So here it is I will write the email. Okay, so I will add a BR tag. So then input type equals to email. Input type equals to email. ID equals to email and name equals to email. Save it. We'll go here. See here what mistake we have done. So label label for email. Okay, and the email is there, break is there. Here also we'll add our break. We'll see here. Yeah, input type equals to email and email. This ID and LM is referring. Name is email. Okay, so let it be. So now what happens? So it looking very basic. I don't know whether what to add this one in the first name or something like that. So there is a one more thing it will come called a placeholder. Placeholder. Enter a first name. Okay. The second placeholder will be enter a last name. And the third one will be enter a email address. Save it, run it. See here. So we are going to be see everything after a enter first name. The first name something Virat. The last name will be Kohli, and email address will be virat@gmail.com. So then we have a submit button. Got it. So first name, last name, email. So placeholder is the one thing you are going to be add a here. The last name is here. So then we are going to be add a one button here. Button. So either you can add like this or else you can use the input type equals to button, value equals to register. Okay. So save it or run it. See here it is how it looks. So if you want to take a one break here, so just add a break. Save it, run it. Okay. So enter a first name, enter a last name, enter a email address. So let's say I want to register here. So here what happens? I need to validation. How to do validation? Without submission of once I submit a form without data, it has to be done like that. Okay, please enter a data something like that. So for that, I will add a one more attribute. So required equals to true. Save it. Control C. Control V. Control V, save it, run it. So just submit here. So what is the problem? Input type equal to submit. See here. Please fill out the field. It is telling that. So how to do? So just I will enter a first name is a Virat. So then I will not enter this remaining two. So it is a please fill out the this field. So again I will add a Kohli is a. So then again I want to add this one. So please fill out the field. So here again A, B, C I will fill it. So just if I tell them, so it is telling that email, please include a add symbol like that. So if I just add email means email will be not like that. So it is telling that add. So just add gmail.com. So now it is going to be take a submission. See here, the F name Virat, L name Kohli, email is something like that. So if you again click means it is asking for the fill out the names details. Got it. So we are going to be more deeper on this one, all the elements and form creation in the next session by the Monday. So Saturday, Sunday is the off is there. So Monday we are going to be see with the remaining form examples and some assignments to you guys. Okay, hope here everything is clear for you.